Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, yesterday the Australian dollar thought twice about taking on the challenge at 73.25, and as we can see, back in September the market did stage many challenges around that region. Previously, we did have one challenge that was at the beginning of November, which ended up close to a shooting star, but didn't get the confirmation after failing to take out the 72.25 level. Now, after the last two bullish days of candles here, you can see the rejection from overnight 73 may once again set a bull trap and therefore has instigated a further slide. But technically, we don't have full support in the decline, so I'm a little bit cautious to my call. However, if the pattern does hold as expected, then we should see another challenge back towards that 72.25, and if breached, then I do anticipate a move back to the lower range of 71 cents. The euro, like the Aussie, took the challenge to the upside and failed, or more to the point, hesitated, and is showing some exhaustion. I feel from 118.95 or close to there, the bears are going to be guarded. And from the previous challenge, we did end up posting an outside range day, just that is. And therefore, I would like to see a little bit more in terms of the technical aspect to support the bearish call. However, trading from a bull side, I'll be very cautious due to the overnight's rejection. And therefore, could see a pullback to the lower range of 117.80. The call for dollar yen reached its target and crushes it now at 104.20. I feel there is a bit more of an extension coming through as the MACD is nearly married up to the RSI as it drops, and the trend is strengthening with the ADX. So we could be looking down towards 103.60 and reassess. With talks of Brexit maybe coming on the table again, the pound has found a little bit more momentum, and that is a move now towards 132.95 awaits. I feel from there I'm a little bit cautious because we did get a rejection from there before, as previously seen here in early November. However, let's see if the market does stage a retreat. If we do see a break, then that could see an extension up to about 133.5 and reassess. Presently though, the sterling yen is trading sideways after the last 4 trading days has pretty much been flat. And also from the rejection from the recent breakdown level from the shooting star of 139 holds. I still feel that is the market will progress lower towards 135.90, and let's reassess from there. Technically, does support that call. As you can see, gold is still struggling to gain any momentum after the earlier rally close to that 1,900 level failed, and from slight either towards close to a dragonfly, failed to give any momentum, and in fact is showing concerns of a move back to the lows around 1,860 to 65, with the base holding around 1,848 to 52, which is seen as crucial. Because if we take out that level, there's about a 100-point drop to around about targeting 1,750. Wrapping up with oil, well, the vaccine rally, as I would call it, is showing a lack of momentum, and therefore could see a pullback to around $38 a barrel. OPEC in the talkings at the moment, and also with a couple of data figures coming out, could see a little bit more weaker play into oil and see the pullback. Technically though, it is lagging to support any rally, so that gives me that view. That wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the day.